Hello, kindergarten. Today is Thursday, and on Thursdays we do Smart Start paper, but we don't have any letters of the week. So I'm going to give you an option today. Do you know what an option means? An option means you have a choice. You can choose to take your Smart Start paper and write all of the letters from A to Z, but only uppercase. Okay? Because next week we'll do lowercase only. So your choice is to write. So choice 1 is to write all of your letters uppercase, A to Z. And I'd love to see a picture of it if you do it. Your second choice is to fill this page with sight words. Okay? Don't forget to leave spaces in between your words. Okay? You're not going to be able to fit all 52 words on here, and that's okay. That's okay. Pick your favorites. Pick 20 of your favorites. You should be able to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pick 15 of your favorite words and write them. Okay? Mrs.Castellano is going to do the alphabet. Okay? I'm not going to do all the alphabet. You don't even have to put your name on this one. So remember, A, B. You might want to do the alphabet and write some sight words. C, D, E. You guys want to say it with me? F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Oh, Mrs. Castellano doesn't touch the line. I don't like it. I'm going to erase it. S. Oh, again, kindergarten. I think I followed it. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I have room for some sight words, so I'm going to write a couple. I'm going to write we. I'm going to write like. Like. I'm going to write on. I'm going to write yes. Maybe I'll write blue. I'm going to write A. I'm going to write I. What else can I write? I can write me. C. Maybe I'll squeeze one in here. That. I just picked some off the top of my head that I remembered. Okay, kindergarten, so that's what I want you to do today. I want you to write either the alphabet or sight words or both, if you can mix it up. Also, kindergarten, I want you to write in your journals today. Guess what? You have a choice. It's Choice Thursday. So, you can either write in your journal about gardening, something you know about gardening, something about planting, something plants need. What are the 3 things that plants need? Right? So you can write something about gardening, or you can write whatever you want. You can write about whatever you want, kindergarten. A sentence about anything. Maybe 2 sentences. Maybe you could talk about butterflies, or dragons, or unicorns, or knights in shining armor. Maybe you want to write about our book. I don't know. Whatever you want, okay? But if you want to send me a picture, I would love to see your journal. Okay, so besides Smart Start and Journal and sign in, you also are going to be doing math today. Miss Castle's going to turn it over and start from the back. Okay, we're almost finished this book, right? So I'm turning to page 182. Oh, there's 181. Lucky me. Okay, you ready? I saw Charlie P. doing his math yesterday. He was doing a great job. Good job, Charlie P. Okay, are you ready? They have dimes and they have nickels. So we have to match the cost, okay? Match cost. So these we're going to count by tens. Are you ready? I'm sorry, these are all nickels. My apology. They look smaller upside down. Okay, they're all nickels, so we're counting by 5. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Do you guys see 40 cents here anywhere? That's right. This avocado costs 40 cents. Good job. Ready? 5, 10. Remember 40 cents looks like? If you want to write it, 10 cents. Do you see 10 cents? That's right there. I'm going to do this one with you and then leave those two for you to do on your own. Ready? Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Do you see 25 cents anywhere? That's right. This apple costs 25 cents. Perfect. So you guys are going to do this page. And you're going to come over here and do this page. So now they have nickels and pennies. So you have to go like this. 5. But now you're not going by 5s anymore. You have to switch over to 1. So you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you see what I did? I started with 5. I grabbed the 5. 5. And then I switched over to counting by 1s. 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you see something here for 9 cents? That's right there. Ready? I'm going to do it again, okay? I'm going to grab the 5. 5. And then I'm going to go 6, 7. Do you see something for 7 cents? Right there. Okay, you do those two on your own, but I also want to show you one other thing in math today. Yes, kindergarten, more math. Only if you want to. It's your choice. Choice Thursday. Okay, ready? 242. I want to start from the back. I'm looking for I opened it right up to 242. 243. We did 241. We're going to do 242 and 243. It's the same thing. It's just extra practice. So right here, this is a nickel. How much is the nickel worth? It's worth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5 cents. Now we have 2 nickels. So we count by 5s. 5. Let me hear you. 10. That's right. 10. 5, 10, 15. Good job. See if you can do the last one all by yourself, kindergarten. 5, 10, 15. Comes next. Okay, kindergarten, ready? And over here, we're doing the same thing. We're adding the 5s and the 1s together. So we grab the 5, grab the nickel, 5, and then one more is, after 5 comes 6. That's right, kindergarten, 6 cents. Ready? Look, they have 2 nickels here. So we have to first put on our counting by 5s. 5, 10. What comes after 10? One more. 11. 5, 10, and 1 is 11. Do you see how that's working, kindergarten? We'll do this one together too. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good job. Okay. See if you can do this one by yourself. But look, you're going to go 5, 10, 15. And then you got to switch by 1s. Okay? I know that it's not easy to do work at home, kindergarten. It's easier when Mrs. Castellano is there with you or Mrs. Cafanero. But just try your best, okay? Okay, kindergarten. Ready? Are you ready? Do you remember what happened last time? They went back in time to the time of the kings and the queens and the castles. And Jack's like, I'm going home. And Annie's like, I want to check out the castle. Because, I like castles. And so she took off down the ladder. And he has a bad habit of just taking off. And Jack followed her. They took the castle book. Chapter 3. Across the bridge. Annie was under the tree, looking at the foggy ground. The knight's riding towards that bridge, I think, said Annie. The bridge goes to the castle. Wait, I'll look it up, said Jack. Give me the flashlight. He took the flashlight from her and pulled the castle book out of his pack. He opened it to the page with the leather bookmark. He read the words under the picture of the knight. This is the knight arriving for the castle feast. Knights wore armor when they traveled long and dangerous distances. The armor was very heavy. The helmet alone could weigh up to 40 pounds. Kindergarten, you guys probably weigh 40 pounds. That's like having a kindergartner on my head and then riding a horse. Oh, I don't think I could do that. Wow, Jack weighed 40 pounds when he was 5 years old. So it'd be like riding around a horse with a 5-year-old on your head. Oh, that's what he just said. Jack pulled out his notebook. He wanted to take notes, as he'd done on the dinosaur trip. He wrote, heavy head. What else? He turned the pages to the castle book. He found a book that showed the whole castle and the buildings around it. The knight's crossing a bridge, said Annie. He's going through the gate. He's gone. Jack studied the bridge in the picture he read. A drawbridge crossed the moat. The moat was filled with water to help protect the castle from enemies. Some people believed that crocodiles were kept in the moat. Jack wrote in his notebook, crocodiles in moat? ? Look, said Annie, peering through the mist. A windmill right over there. So here's a picture, kindergarten. Yeah, that's a windmill in here too, said Jack, pointing to the picture. Look at the real one, Jack, said Annie. Not the one in the book. A piercing shriek split the air. Yikes, said Annie. It sounded like it came from the house over there. She pointed through the fog. There is a little house here, said Jack, studying the picture. He turned and read it. The Hawk House was an inner word of the castle. Hawks were trained to hunt other birds and small animals. Jack wrote in his notebook, Hawks in a hawk house. Hawks. They must be in the inner ward, said Jack. Listen. Whisper, Annie. You hear that? Drums, horns. They're coming from the castle. They're coming from the castle. Let's go see. Wait, said Jack. He turned to his page in his book. I want to see what's really going on. Jack, not what's in your book, said Annie. But look at this, said Jack. He pointed to the picture of a big party. Men were standing by the door playing the drums and horns. He read, fanfare were played to announce different dishes in the feast. Feasts were held in the great hall. You can look at the book. I'm going to look at the real feast, said Annie. Wait, said Jack, studying the picture. He showed the boys his age carrying trays of food. Whole pigs, pies, peacocks with their feathers. Peacocks, Jack wrote. They eat peacocks? He held up the book to show Annie. Look, I think they eat. Where was she? Annie was gone. Jack looked through the fog. He heard the real drums and the real horns. He saw a real hawk house and a real windmill and a real moat. He saw Annie dashing across the real drawbridge. Then she vanished through the gate leading to the castle. Oh, that Annie. Oh, that Annie. That's the end of chapter 3, kindergarten. Chapter 4 is called Into the Castle. And we will read that on Fantastic Friday. Kindergarten, I hope you have a really good Thinking Thursday. And I hope that you can think about lots of things and how maybe you could help someone today. Okay? Bye, kindergarten. I love you.